Here's how to create a moving text shine effect in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting your text layer, then open the Effects panel and search for ProCamp. Drag the effect onto your text. Next, click and hold the Object Mask tool in the toolbar and choose the Pen Mask tool. In the Program Monitor, draw a long, thin rectangle that will act as your highlight. In the Effect Controls panel, drag the pen mask to the ProCamp effect. And then raise the feather value in the Effects Control panel to soften the edges of the highlight. To create the shine, increase the brightness to around 80. To animate it, enable keyframing for the mask's position by switching it to frame and then select the path. Place the mask just off the left side of the text. Move the playhead forward to where you want the shine to end, then drag the mask across so it finishes just beyond the right side of the text. For smoother motion, expand the transform properties and select both position keyframes. Right-click them and apply ease in and ease out. If you want even more control over the movement, open the graph editor and fine-tune the speed curve. And that's it.